Let's see the birds here, right? They were a little, they were just hatching. That was 3 weeks ago or something. But let's see if they're getting bigger or still. They got feathers on them. This is our barbecue. Look at those guys. Psst, 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 psst. Do you see? 1, 2, 3. I think there are 4. Yeah, you see they're moving. You're sleeping now. Hey guys, wake up. Wake up, it's too late. Yeah, they're 4. Yeah, they're sleeping. Right? Maybe they're gonna have lunch now. The lunch, I guess, early at 10. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here we are. It's a nice day today, isn't it? It's nice. Here's the barbecue.